Subscribe to Gorang Deka and click the bell icon to never miss a video.
Hey, hi guys, I'm back with another video. In this video, we're going to do something cool and we're going to create something cool. So in today's video, we're going to try and make DIY stress balls. Okay, so first of all, to make stress balls, we need a bowl. Okay, I got a bowl inside here, and so let's start making a stress ball. Let's start, guys. To make the inside mixture, which is oobleck. Okay, I'll just show you how to make oobleck first. Oobleck is what gets inside the stress ball. Okay, so we'll add this cornstarch inside. Okay, corn something, I don't know, cornstarch. Okay, every bit. We don't want to waste corn flour. Okay, second, I'm done. Okay, so in here we've got some corn flour. Cool. Okay, so the next part to make oobleck is to add some water inside the corn flour or cornstarch. So I have water and I'll just add it. Okay, slowly. Okay, I've added some amount of water in here and we'll start mixing it slowly, gently. We have no hurry. Evenly get the water. Okay, some more water. Gently. Cool. Okay. When the water is added in a second, then just mix it properly. Okay, get this bit also. Okay, now this mixture is oobleck. I'll just show you how oobleck looks physically. Second, let me mix properly. Second. Okay, we need to add some more cornstarch. We are making oobleck currently, and so we're getting the consistency of oobleck. It is a bit thick, so we have to add more corn flour. Okay, wow. It's a slimy kind of thing. Second. Okay, it's thick now, so a bit more water. Slowly, gently. Okay, wow, this is oobleck. I will just show you how it looks. It is solid and liquid both. A bit more of corn flour, a little bit. Drop in, boy. Yeah, guys. Okay, so yeah, oobleck. More corn flour. Cool. So I'm just making oobleck now. Done. So oobleck is done. Wow, I'm impressed by this because it's not letting the spoon go down to the surface. So this means that oobleck is made. So just a second. Let's continue. Okay, the oobleck is done, and now we need a plastic bottle to put the oobleck inside this. We can choose any bottle, but I prefer this shape, and this bottle is of Keljai. Okay, so this is for carrying water. I prefer this shape because, okay, I'll just tell you, we'll see why this shape is required. Let's start pouring this into it. Okay, so guys, this might get a bit messy, so I will take some precautions first. Okay, so we will remove the spoon right now, and yeah, keep it inside the thingy, and I will just try to pour it. Okay, so very easy, a bit slowly. Okay, I will just pour it. Second, guys. Okay, so as you can see, I filled the oobleck inside the bottle. This much oobleck is fine. Okay, so I have oobleck inside it. Now is the major step, which will do it. The second. Okay, things are getting messy on my desk here, so I will just move the extra things which we don't need right now. Okay, fine. And this bowl also will move. Okay guys, so here we have the black inside. Okay, now the main step, we need some balloons. Okay, we need identical balloons, so I'll choose blue ones. We need two, right? So yeah, I have to. Now we have to keep on a side and get it here and put this strap, as you can see in here, to that. Okay, just pull it tightly, gently. Make sure that the balloon's head does not, like, okay, it should be fit like this, as you can see. Cool. Done, guys, almost. Now we'll pour the black very slowly and gently. Okay. Now we are filling the thingy with the black. Okay. I'm filling it with black. More black. Get in, boy. Slowly push it in, slowly, till everything gets inside. It's going inside. I was talking about this bottle because it has the shape where we can easily put inside the black, the balloon. Okay, cool. So some more. Let's go, dudes. Okay, easy. Now things can get messy in here, so I will just tie the balloon. Okay, this small is not enough, so we'll need more black. Second, guys, things will get messy here, so when we plug up the balloon, because the oobleck is filled fully. Second. Okay, so I will move the balloon. Okay, guys, second. I will fill it and then show you. Okay, so we have technically made the ball, but it's not in its original shape, and it's quite cool. Wow, I love this. Okay, so get its original shape. Second, to do that, we need to take the balloon. This is it, and cut the end. Okay, cut the end of this thingy. I will just show you. So it's like this somehow. I don't know. I'm gonna cut it, and second, cool. Balloon cutting stuff going on. Oh. Okay, so we have cut it and we have got this thingy. Pull it. We need to cut more, it looks like, to make the end a bit bigger. So yeah, like this. Okay. Yes, guys. Okay, so we have cut it, and yeah, so to open this end, to get everything inside, looks cool, and cut some more. Cut more. Now it looks fine to me. And insert it here like this. Second. After insert in here, insert it. Okay, so I will just insert it. Till then, second. Okay, so I finally inserted it inside the second balloon, and it looks something like this. Yes, something like this. Okay, so now to keep it like this only, we need to use some super glue. In this case, okay, like in India, we have as super glue, we have Fevikwik, so we'll use that only to do stuff. Just a second. Where is super glue? Okay, so I've got this packet, and we will simply tear it. Or use some scissors. And what we find inside is glue. A small packet of glue. Nothing else. Just clear the table. Put it in. Cool. So yeah, I have this, and I'll open it, and simply I will apply some glue there at the ends. Second, like here to seal the bond. Fine. It looks fine to me, and after some time this thing would dry and get sealed. Okay, so we just wait 2 seconds. Okay, this dries very fast. Yeah, so it's sealed. Yes guys, so this is sealed, and we can simply play with this balloon. A second, just roll it first to get every part sealed inside the balloon. Okay, look at this. Aha, man, this is so satisfying, you know, very satisfying. I love this. The crumbs of corn flour inside, which makes it quite satisfying and great. I love this. Cool. So keep watching my videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for